Okay, it's Debbie James, and it's, what time is it here? 1:16, 1/7/2020. Here's your war crime statute. Files under the Rome Statute of the International Criminal Court, and this is your Geneva Convention of 1977. And here it is. Take a look. Pay very close attention, target individuals and foreign governments, because this applies to both of you. So these people thought I was crazy about war crimes, huh? Better take another look. It's all there. And this is marked down exactly from the UN. This part here was the only part that wasn't in there, attempting to kill. But the asphyxiation, poisonous, or other gases that is in there. This is the part I added, attempting to kill. So, here's your war crimes, people, against this country. Now, how does this fall in? Well, there was an attack here on December 8th in Pensacola, Florida, and these blooming idiots that are on me are paid, as in the audio it said, from Department of Defense, some guy named Michael. And they've been infiltrating bases. I've been warning them about this. They didn't take any action. This shit has been going on for 8 years. 8 years that I know of, that I can testify to. These people are being alerted by our government when foreign governments are in around the area, and they're attacking them. That's why these chips and these sensors are coming in. They've been reprogrammed. This is to obtain their money for elections, and also to get them to do what it is our government wants them to do. That's what this is about. As far as the police, they're just disabling them, is what they're doing. What's going on with them is they're being called in on a call, a false call. Then they're being attacked, being hit with a needle. They're being raped and reprogrammed. Then they're doing blackmailing with the rape tape, but it's already up on the internet. It's being sold. Our government keeps wiping these idiots out and just allowing them to continue to do what they're doing. If you look in Buffalo, there's been several different types of attacks on people, population. You're seeing the same thing in Portland now. These are the people that were programmed. Their programming went awry because up and moved. They couldn't keep up their programming. And what happens is you go nutty, you go crazy. I told everybody before, the police were acting weird in Buffalo. There was a cop that died, that was murdered. He was murdered. He was hit with an H-bomb, heroin and fentanyl combination made to kill. And it was done right in his home, so they broke into his home. There was another undercover cop in which they tried to, narcotics cop in which they tried to kill. The taking of my house. This is all tied into this. It was not the Saudis that did that Pensacola attack. It was these people, paid for by your government. So, every time you look, it's always the Saudis. If there's an attack and it's attached to somebody who's of Saudi nationality, it's automatically the Saudis. And this is what you're seeing.